Okay, you guys, my Ancestry DNA results came in. I'm so excited. Let me flip this camera so y'all can see. So you see, the moment you've been waiting for, your Ancestry's DNA results are in. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, put you on the tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and hit export DNA results, and we're gonna see what my results are. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Let's see. Let me see if I even remember my login. Okay, so I have two cameras going so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so oh my gosh, it says it right here. Discover your origin. Let's see. And your DNA results are in. Ethnicity group, learn where your story started. DNA communities, pinpoint the paths of your recent ancestors. DNA match, connect with living relatives. Ethnicity, inheritance, see which region you inherited from your each parent. Okay, so 21% Spain. Okay, 15 Cameroon, Congo, and Western Bantu people. Mali, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Indigenous Puerto Rico, Benin, Togo, Portugal. What? 7%, 6% Nigerian, Senegal, North African, Basque, Indigenous Haiti, Dominican Republic, Indigenous American Colombia, Venezuela, Jewish. What the heck? These are 1%, but that's crazy. That is so crazy. So I'm a mutt basically. Like I'm from everywhere. These numbers are so intriguing because I'm 21% primary location Spain, also like Portugal. Like your ethnicity is estimated is 21%, but it can change. It can range from 8 to 32%. Like what? I kind of figured like Spain, and then 15% in different countries in Africa. These are the regions from Africa. 15%. Like what? Yeah. I knew Africa was gonna come up, but these numbers are so like different. I really thought I was gonna be like, 50% this, 50% that, because my mom is, Puerto Rican and my dad's Dominican. But obviously, they have their own DNA makeup. So yeah, 21% Spain, 15 basically from Africa, 10 Mali, 10 coastal Ghana, 9% indigenous Puerto Rico, and then like 7% of these right here, 6, 5, 2, like this is so intriguing. Like, yeah, so I'm just I'm just in awe. Like it's so that is so cool. Hmm. So this is my map basically. Hold on. How do I zoom in? So this is all the areas that my DNA got traced back to. So obviously, Puerto Rico, DR, Venezuela, like yeah, that is so cool. Spain, all these areas my ancestry was traced back to. So I'm like from all over the place. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm just in shock. I'm gonna call my mom and tell her because, yeah. Anyway, let me call my mom and I'll be back. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. Today is a beautiful day outside, so I'm gonna be outside. I have no clue what I'm gonna do, of course, you know, the first stop has to be Starbucks. But before I do that, I want to share with you some things I picked up from Amazon. So the first thing I got was this dry headband tie. So when I work out, you know, I get hot. And so I got this Nike sweatband. It's a little Nike sweatband. Let me see if I can take it out. So when you sweat, you know, the sweat's not like all over your head and stuff, or all over your forehead. So it's a Nike one. I got the black one, and then you just tie it up like this. And I think it's also good to lay down your edges, but I'm probably most likely gonna end up using it to work out. I might order another one to lay down my edges because it was only like $9.99, so it's not bad. I got that. The next thing I got was for some accessories for my DJI camera that I'm using right now to vlog. I got this Osmo Pocket case. Look how cute she is. This case is so pretty. So the case that comes with the DJI is so small. I feel like I'm struggling to put everything in there back the way it came. So this comes, let me flip the camera around so you guys can see. Okay, so this is the way it looks. It has little zipper here. This is to put like the SD mic, SD cards and stuff like that. It has a strap, and then basically the camera and all the accessories go in here, and then you just close it. And yeah, she's like a super cute case. Oh, this is the a trash can. I forgot about these. These are electric trash cans. So, and there I got the color black, and basically you just wave your hand and the lid comes up. So I'm gonna put these in the bathroom, and I'll insert a picture of what they look like because I don't feel like putting them together. But basically it's like this right here, and it's like this right here, and you wave your hand and the lid comes up. So I got that. So I got 2 of those. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel so under the weather. I just got back from Mexico, and when I tell you I caught a stomach bug or something, I've been sick since Friday. The only thing I've been eating is crackers and like ginger ale and bread because I can't hold anything down. But Mexico, listen, Mexico owes me nothing. I had a blast. But anyway, now I'm back at the house and I got my Byte eyeliners. I'm so excited. So I want to share with you everything that I got in my kit. So I got 3 packs of the Byte winding foam. I got 3 of these. I got a portable UV sanitizer, and it looks like this. And basically, you put your little aligners in there, it sanitizes them. Also got 3 packs of their cleansing tablets. And these little tablets go into this ultrasonic cleanser that looks like this. And you put some water in there, you drop the tablet, and then you put your aligners in there, and then it cleans the aligners for you. So I got that. I also got a kit for to whiten your teeth. So it comes with 3 pens, so you can whiten your teeth. This desensitizing gel, and then this little, I think this is a case. Yes, like a case and stuff. And this is to whiten your teeth. So I got that, and then it comes with this little light thing. Oh, and it vibrates. Okay, so I'm guessing you put this, you know, in your mouth to whiten your teeth. So I got that. And then, of course, all the whitening stuff came in this cute little Byte bag, which is so cute. And then, of course, my liners came in. This is obviously what we're waiting for. So let me go ahead and get this out the box so I can show you. Better and better with every bite. So let's go ahead and open her up. If I can actually get it open. So we're gonna open her up, and it says "See things, see, things are getting better already. I'm guessing this is like a little welcome pamphlet. So I need to read this. Let's see. Yeah, with instructions and everything that I need to do. Awesome. So I got that. So I got all my steps. Step 1. I got step 2. Yeah, so I think I have about 15 trays I need to go to. Let me see. Yep, step 15. So I got about 15 trays that I need to go to. Whitening foam in another case. So Hyperbyte, what's this? Yeah, so I got a Hyperbyte. So I got all that. My upper teeth need 15 and my lower teeth need 11 trays. So, all right, it's time to put my liners in. All right, so this is my top tray. And it says to put them over your front teeth first. Okay. And then the bottom. Yep, they're in there. And then I'm gonna take my little chewies and I'm just gonna chew them. This just makes sure that your aligners are in place. And the chewies are reusable. And it's normal to have a lisp for the first few days, especially when you put in a new tray because, you know, it's a foreign object in your mouth. I'm not sure if I said the chewies are reusable, so make sure you don't lose these because you don't want no spaces gap between your teeth and the aligners. Oh, I'm drooling. All right. And here's the little tray. It comes with a mirror and then the little tool. This is to be able to remove your aligners when, you know, it's time to eat. So I got the all day aligners that I wear them basically 22 hours a day for a few reasons, because the treatment period will be shortened and also they were more affordable than the only nighttime retainers. So I'm gonna put my chewies in there. I'm gonna close that up. They also give you a little file, so if anything's like poking you, it feels kind of weird or something, you just file it down. But I really don't need that right now, so I'll keep it in the. I can never. How you open this? There has to be a better way of opening this. I'm gonna keep the little file in there just in case. Oh, okay, you squeeze it. You squeeze it to open it. So yeah, the Byte. But this is how it looks. See, they're basically invisible. Like you don't see them. Hey, you guys. I'm feeling way better than earlier this week. Mexico, count your days. No, for real. I love Mexico. I'm always in Mexico, but I swear I'm always getting sick. But anyway, what's today? Today's Thursday. So it's been like 4 days after since I came back from Mexico, and I just been recovering, okay? Because your girl was out bad, okay? But anyway, I want to share with you guys some things that I picked up from Amazon. So, I picked up these clean, what is it? I can't even talk. Clean Skin Club. I picked up these clean, Skin Club large face pads, and I'm going to use these to, you know, remove makeup and apply toner, because I'm tired of using cotton, what is it, the little cotton pads. Them things be falling apart and then they shred and I just don't care for it. So these don't do that, and they look like this. So you see, they're nice and big pads, and they have this little weave inside to exfoliate, and then one to remove makeup. So I got that, and I think this was like $8. Yeah, I think it was $8, and this is a pack of 60. I got that. And then I have really tight teeth, and now that I'm doing my liners, they getting even, you know, closer together. So I love these grin dental floss for tight teeth. And when you have tight teeth and you're, you know, using these little mouth floss things, the little floss be snapping because they're, you know, so you got to use the ones that are for tight teeth. So I got this from Amazon. And then another thing that I got was this Nura Nanda oil pulling rinse. And then this is made out of coconut oil and, let's see, peppermint oil, vitamin E, a whole bunch of good stuff that is healthy for your mouth. And basically what oil pulling is, you put it in your mouth and you know, swish the oil in your mouth for up to 10 to 15 minutes. I heard some people do like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna work my way up there. So I'm gonna start doing that. And then this came with a toothbrush and a tongue scraper. Another thing that I got was this Slick Skin serum. I'm gonna start doing gua sha. And if you guys don't know what gua sha is, let me go ahead and grab the little tool. Okay, hold on. Let me grab the tool. My gua sha. Okay. You guys, this is gua sha right here. This little thing. So you know, massage your face to remove all the fluid and stuff from your face, and eventually the more you do it, you get like a natural snatching of the face. So I got the oil that goes with the gua sha tool, so it could be nice and smooth to be able to you know, glide this on my face. And this is made out of metal. So I got that I got is is to hopefully make my sleep better, you guys. My body runs extremely hot when I sleep. Like, I sweat in my sleep. It's horrible. So I fell on this lady's page on TikTok, and she was saying if you buy eucalyptus, I can't even say it, bamboo or eucalyptus, whatever the word is, I'll put it on the screen. Eucalyptus material, sheets and beddings and pillows, it will help you cool off at nighttime. So I ended up buying these like bamboo material, wick material, so you don't like sweat in your sleep and it absorbs. So it's nice and cool too. It's really soft. So I got this pajama set, super cute. Of course, it has to be, you know, a little pink dusty rose color. And then yeah, so I can't wait to try that to see if it actually keeps me cool at night. And then the other thing that I got was the sheets as well. So I got the linens to keep me nice and cool. So I got that. And then I got a bamboo mattress topper, extra fluffy. Let me see. So this is supposed to keep your body cool as well. So I got the bamboo material from the bamboo brand. So I got that. So hopefully tonight, once I wash everything and I put it in my bed, I have a really nice sleep, because I just get so hot, you guys. Let me know if you also run hot in your sleep, because I know I do. It's horrible.
Day after day.